Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tough meat tender. First, let's talk about mechanical tenderizing. Pounding meat with a mallet physically breaks down tough muscle fibers, making it softer. You can also score the surface, which helps tenderize and allows marinades to penetrate deeper. For very tough cuts, grinding them into ground meat for burgers or sausages is an excellent way to achieve tenderness. Next, consider the power of marinating. Acidic ingredients like vinegar, lemon juice, or even yogurt help to break down the connective tissues in meat. Some fruits, such as pineapple or papaya, contain natural enzymes that are fantastic tenderizers. For optimal results, let your meat soak for at least 30 minutes, but generally no more than 24 hours to avoid a mushy texture. Slow cooking is another fantastic method for transforming tough cuts. Braising, where meat cooks gently in a flavorful liquid for several hours, slowly breaks down collagen into gelatin, creating incredibly tender results. Similarly, stewing smaller pieces of meat in liquid achieves the same effect. These low and slow techniques are perfect for cuts like chuck roast, brisket, or short ribs, turning them into melt-in-your-mouth dishes. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of proper slicing and resting. Always slice your cooked meat against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite significantly more tender. After cooking, allow your meat to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step lets the juices redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring it remains moist and incredibly tender when you finally cut into it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.